Method 1. Turn off location. Open notification panel and turn off location. Method 2. Turn on dark mode. Open notification panel and turn on dark mode. Method 3. Turn off adaptive brightness. Open notification panel and turn off adaptive brightness. Method 4. Turn on battery saver. Open notification panel and turn on battery saver. Method 5. Turn off background process. Open settings and scroll down. Go to developer options and scroll down. No background processes. Method 6. Uninstall unwanted apps. Method 7. Put unused apps to sleep. Open settings. Go to battery and device care. Go to battery. Go to background usage limits. And enable put unused apps to sleep. Method 8. Don't let phone overcharge. Method 9. Don't let phone charge at night.
I forgot the phone!
Method 10. Don't install battery saver apps.
Stop installing battery saver apps. They're available on the Play Store, but they actually drain your battery by constantly running in the background.